Salam everyone. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is volume. Volume is what? It's space occupied by any object. कोई भी solid object कितना space occupy करता है, that is its volume. So today we are going to start with different formulas of volume for different solid. Just for example, if you look at this bottle, here if you read it, the measure how much written here, its capacity is of 100 ml. So I can say that its capacity is what? Of 100 ml to pour any liquid inside this bottle. So this 100 ml is its capacity or its volume. So similarly we can find out volume for different solid like cuboid, cube, hemisphere, sphere or cylinder. So let's start with first one, that is volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, now we already know a cuboid has its length, its breadth, and this is what? Height. So the formula to find the volume of cuboid is it's L into B into H, length into breadth into height. By using this formula, it is possible to find the volume of this cuboid. Similarly, for cube, volume of cube. Now as we know, a cube has all the measures equal, length, and this height is also. So length is L, breadth is L, and height is also L. So its formula is what? To find the volume of cube, it's L into L. This is L cube. So to find the formula of volume of cube is L cube. Then let's move to the next figure. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. This is what? As we know, this is a cylinder. Now this is what? Its height. This is what? Its radius. Its formula is to find the volume of cylinder, it's pi r square h. By using the pi r square h, it is possible to find the volume of this cylinder. Now next one, cone. Volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. It's 1 by 3 pi r square h. If I say pi r square h is the volume of cylinder, it's 1/3 is the volume of cone. What does it mean? If I am going to combine 3 cones of equal height and radius, if I want to combine 3 cones of equal radius and equal height, if I combine this, I'll get a cylinder of volume equals to this 3 cone. So this combining, if I combine 3 cones, volume of cone, I get the volume of cylinder. So what does it mean? The volume of this cylinder is what? Pi r square h, and the volume of this cone, a single cone, volume of this single cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, because by combining 3 cone of equal height and equal radius, we get a volume of cylinder. But you have to remember only this part. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now volume of sphere. Volume of sphere means this is a sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It's 4 by 3 pi r cube. We get the whole volume of this sphere. Now volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere means what? Half of sphere. जो पूरा sphere है उसका half. So it will be, what is the half of this one? Half of this is means 2 will cancel this. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here volume of hemisphere, it's 2 by 3 pi r cube. Previous one which we wrote already, it's cuboid, L into B into H and cube. Volume of cube is L cube, L into L into L. So these are the 6 main formula. Volume of cone, volume of cylinder, volume of sphere, volume of hemisphere, volume of cuboid and cube. By using all these 6 main formula, it's possible to find the volume of any solid. So let's start with the exercise 13.2. Let's start our first example of exercise 13.2. Question number 1. This is a very simple example. Let's start with a solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere. So two solids are here. First of all, it's cone. Another is what? Hemisphere. So this cone is standing on hemisphere. So how you want to write it? Draw it diagram. So this is what? Hemisphere. And on this hemisphere, a cone is standing. And this is what? Cone. With both the radii being equal. The radii of cone and hemisphere both are same. So we can write here for hemisphere and for cone. The radii being equal to 1 centimeter. It means radius of this is what? 1 centimeter. Radius of this is also 1 centimeter. Now, and the height of the cone. Height means this part. This is perpendicular height and this is slant height. So this perpendicular height is given is equal to its radius. Whatever radius is there, it's same its height. So height of cone. Height is same as radius. Radius is how much? Height is equals to radius. So this is equals to 1 centimeter. So I got both the data for radius and height. Find the volume of this solid in terms of pi. Now this is an important aspect that we have to find out the answer in terms of what? Pi. So let's write down total volume equals to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now what is volume of cone? It's 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h plus what is the volume of hemisphere? It's 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now this is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere, volume of cone. Now what is common between them? Here it's 1 by 3, here it is 2 by 3. So I can see that here 1 by 3 is common, pi and pi is common, r square and here r cube. Here there are only 2r and here 3r. So what is common? Here r square is common. H is here but h is not here. So this much part is common. So what will remain inside? 1 by 3 bar aa gaya, pi is there, r square is also there. So what is remaining here? It's only height plus this is 2 by 3 but I took 1 by 3 common outside. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 2 pi is already outside. r cube में से क्या कॉमन आया था? r square. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? r. This much we got. Now replace all the value. 1 by 3 as it is, pi as it is, r square. What is the value of r? 1 only. So it's 1 square. What is the value of height? Height is 1 plus 2 as it is. What is radius? Again radius is 1. So this is the way we can replace the value from this data. Now 1 by 3 pi as it is, 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, it's 3. So definitely this 3 and 3 get cancelled. So what is the answer? It's pi. As it's a sum of volume, its unit is what here? Given centimeter. So it's pi centimeter cube. So we can say that volume of given solid is pi centimeter cube. This is the way we can solve question number 1 of 13.2. Let's start our next example. Second of 13.2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shape like cylinder. So first of all, solid is what? Cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends. Means एक cylinder है और दोनों end पे क्या लगाना है? Cones. So let's draw a diagram for its solution. So first of all, a cylinder and at both the ends cones are there. This is one end, this is another end. So 2 cones are there. So up to this it's clear. At 2 ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. Means aluminum sheet से ये model बनाया जा रहा है. A cylinder with 2 conical ends. Then the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. ये जो पूरा model है उसका diameter कितना है? Is 3 centimeter. So I can see that this distance is how much? It's of 3 centimeter. This much is what? 3 centimeter. So whether it is for cylinder or for cone, the diameter is 3 centimeter. Then definitely radius is what? 3 by 2. The radius of cylinder and cone both are same because they are attached to each other. So I can write here radius is what? 3 by 2 centimeter. Now its length is 12 centimeter. Now its length, is it cylinder length or whole model length? It's mentioned here. The diameter of model, पूरा model का diameter 3 है and its length. So the total length from this end to this end, the total length is how much? It's of 12 centimeter. Total length is of 12 centimeter. So from this 12 centimeter, I have to find out the length of this, height of the cylinder. Now, and if each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, means this height is of 2 centimeter, it means this is of 2 centimeter. So out of this 12, ये पूरा 12 है, out of that this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Then what is the height of cylinder? It's 12 minus 8. Sorry, 12 minus 2 plus 2, 4. This is equals to 8. So I can write here height of cylinder equals to 12 minus, this is 2 and this is 2. So 2 times 2. So it's 12 minus 4, 8 centimeter. So this is the height of cylinder, that is of 8 centimeter. So this is the way we got height. And let's take here capital height. Why am I going to use a capital height? Because it's a height of cylinder and height of cone is also given, that is 2 centimeter. Here I am taking small h. एक ही सम में 2 height है. One is the height of cylinder, another is the height of cone. So we can't use both side as small h, small h. So one of the height we have to take as capital H and another as small h, or you can take h and h dash, you can take anything, you can take, but you can't take both the variable same. Now find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Now first of all you have to find its total volume. Total volume equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. एक सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम प्लस दो कोन का वॉल्यूम. So volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Volume of cylinder means pi r square h, and here again I have to use what? Capital H plus volume of two cones. So it's two cones means 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now you have to be very careful while replacing the value of this small h and capital H. While using for capital H, I am going to use 8 centimeter. While using for cone, I am going to use small h. So first of all again pi r square h plus it's 2 by 3 pi r small h. Now anything common here? What is common between them? Definitely it's pi is common, r square is common, so inside it will remain what? H plus 2 by 3 into small h. ये h रह जाएगा and here it's 2 by 3 and small h. Now we will replace all its value. So first of all, its pi means 22 by 7. R square, what is the radius? 3 by 2. As its square multiplied by twice. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Inside the bracket, 8. Capital H is how much? 8 plus 2 by 3. Small h is how much? 2. So is it any reducible here? Yeah. It's 2 11s are 33 into 3, it's 99. 7 into 2. So inside it's 8 plus 4 by 3. So it's 99 upon 7 into 2. What is LCM here? 3. LCM is 3. 8 3s are 24 plus 4. So here I can write 99 upon 7 into 2 into 24 plus 4, 28 upon 3. Whatever reducible, just reduce it. It's 7, 4s are 4, 2s are 3, 33s are 33, 3s are 2s are 33 into 2, it's 66 centimeter cube. This is the volume of given question. So write down the statement finally. The volume of given model is 66 centimeter cube. So this is the way we can solve question number 2. Let's start with next example. Question number 4th. A pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of cuboid. So a pen stand is there with a 4 conical depression. Now this is very important. The first solid is what? Cuboid. Another is what? Conical depression. Now this word depression means what? Like khadda hona. Means if I draw a diagram for this, a diagram is given in the textbook also. Something like this. Now here 4 conical depression is there for a pen holder. मीन्स पेन रखने के लिए यहाँ पे होल्डर है, तो इतना जो स्पेस होगा वो एम्प्टी होगा. देयर इज नथिंग, नो मोर पार्ट ऑफ वुडन इन दैट. सो इन शॉर्ट यहाँ पे 4 होल है. कौन से शेप में? दैट होल्स आर इन द शेप ऑफ कोन्स. to hold pen. Pen को hold करने के लिए यहाँ पे holders है and 4 holes are there. The dimension of cuboid is 15, 10 and 3.5 centimeter. So length, breadth and height is given for cuboid. The radius of each depression, ये जो चारों depression है उसका जो radius है that is what 0.5. Its radius is 0.5. And the depth means what? Its height. Depth means what? Its height. How much? 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. पूरा जो stand है उसका volume कितना होगा that we have to find. Now how to find the volume of wood? ये जो पूरा cuboid है उसमें 4 होल बना है, तो होल बनाने से क्या होगा, जो यहाँ पे wood होगा वो निकल जाएगा. ये 4 holes are there, so wood is going to remove from this cuboid. So first of all let's draw a diagram for a simple cone. For this conical part, I can say its radius is what? Radius is 0.5. And then depth. Depth means its height. Height is given 1.4 centimeter. Now for cuboid. Length we can take 15. Breadth is 10 and height is what? 3.5. Again if you look at this one, small h. So what I'm going to do, मुझे cuboid बड़ा लग रहा है, so I'm going to take this height as what? Capital H, so that there will be no confusion between capital H and small h. Now volume of wooden block equals to volume of cuboid minus क्या होगा बच्चों, how many cones are there? 4 cones are there. What is the volume of one cone? The volume of one cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of one cone. Now how many cones are there? 4 cone है, so multiply by 4 as each and every dimension are same. तो पूरे cuboid में से हम 4 वॉल्यूम निकाल देंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ व्हाट? कोन्स. सो 4 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ, और वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली वॉल्यूम ऑफ 4 cones. Now we'll apply the formula for this. Cuboid means L into D into H, length into breadth into height, minus volume of 4 cones. Volume of 4 cones means 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now here the h of cuboid is what? Greater, so capital H. Replace the value. So length is how much? 15. Breadth is how much? 10. Height is how much? 3.5. So we can write 35 upon 10. ये point निकाला तो नीचे 10 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. Now radius is what here? 0.5 means 5 by 10, 5 by 10. As here square is there, into height. Height is how much? 1.4. We can write 14 upon 10. So now whatever reducible we can reduce it. Definitely this 10 get cancelled. Here 5 2s are 10. This 7 will cancel 14 2 times. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. This is what 5 2s are and 2 11s are. So what is remaining in the numerator? It's only so now we can write here 15 into 35. 15 into 35 means it's 25, it's 7, 15, it's 4, 5, 2, 5. So multiplication of 15 into 35 is 525 minus what? What is remaining here? 4. And in numerator only one thing is there, 11. 4 into 11, 44. Divide by what? 3 into 10. So just take care of this thing. सारे नंबर आगे न्यूमरेटर के, it's only what? 11. 11 into 4, 44. In denominator it's only 3 and 10. 3 into 10. 525 minus 44 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 3 how many times? 4s are 12. 2 remainder. Now 14 minus 12 it's what? 2. It will be 60. So 0.6666 will come. So we can write 6. As the 6 is greater than 5, we can write here 14.67. 7 क्यों लिखा? 6 is greater than 5. So next number we can write in second decimal upon 10. So 525 minus 1.467. Now subtract this two number. 525.000 1.467. So definitely it's 10, 3, 9, 3, 9, 5, 4. 4 minus 1, it's 3, 2, 5. So what will be the final answer? 523.533 centimeter square. Sorry, cube. This is cube because it's a volume of wooden box. So this will be the volume of wood in this pen stand. So how we find out this? पूरे क्यूबॉइड में से हमने 4 कोन के वॉल्यूम को माइनस कर दिए बिकॉज वहां पे होल बना, so that part will remove out of the cuboid, and this is the way we can solve question number 4 of 13.2.